If you want to use Lucidchart in Google Slides, this tutorial is going to show you the fastest way to get your diagrams into a presentation without rebuilding everything from scratch. Whether you're making flowcharts, org charts, wireframes, or process maps, this is a super useful workflow because it saves time and keeps your slides looking professional. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open the presentation you want to work on in Google Slides. Once your deck is open, look at the top menu and click Extensions. From there, hover over Add-ons and then click Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace where you can install tools that connect directly to slides. In the search bar, type Lucidchart Diagrams. When you see the Lucidchart add-on appear, click Install. Google will ask for permission so the add-on can connect with your account and insert diagrams into your presentation. Go ahead and allow all the permissions and continue through the prompts. This step is important because without it, Lucidchart won't be able to access your saved diagrams or place them into slides. Once the installation is complete, go back to your presentation and click Extensions again. You should now see Lucidchart diagrams in the list. Hover over it and choose Insert Diagram. If you're not already signed in, you may be asked to log in to your Lucidchart account. Sign in so the add-on can load your saved files and the documents. After that, a sidebar will open on the right side of your screen. This sidebar shows your Lucidchart documents so you can browse through the diagrams you've already created. Take a moment to find the one you want to use in your slide deck. When you locate it, hover over the diagram and click the plus button, or click the preview image depending on what appears on your screen. Next, click Insert. Lucidchart will place the diagram directly onto your slide as an image or embedded object depending on the format. From here, you can move it around, resize it, and position it exactly where you want it. Just drag the corners to scale it up or down and place it anywhere on the slide like any other graphic. This is especially helpful if you need to update presentations quickly because you can keep your diagrams organized inside Lucidchart and then bring them into slides whenever you need them. It also makes collaboration easier since your team can build diagrams in Lucidchart and then present them cleanly in Google Slides. If you ever want to insert a different diagram later, just repeat the same process. Open Extensions, choose Lucidchart Diagrams, open Insert Diagram, and pick a new file from the sidebar. That makes the whole workflow very repeatable and very beginner-friendly. And that's it. Now you know how to use Lucidchart in Google Slides step by step. If this walkthrough helped you out, please remember to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.